Alright guys, we're back out here in the woods. Found us a cellar hole. Probably 1800s, I'd say. Pretty decent sized trees around. Follow that rock wall later on. It's right by a stream over here. Sure y'all can hear it in the background. Looks like maybe an older structure over there. One thing I did want to show y'all. A lot of times I noticed when I'm digging, I find good stuff and it's always around plants like these. We got some in front of our house actually. I don't know the name of them, but from now on, anytime I see these, I'm just gonna associate it with some sort of activity being around here. If anybody knows what these are, or if this is a myth or a true, put it down in the comments below. Anyways, I'm gonna stop wasting y'all's time on this introduction, getting a bit long. Let's go digging. Alright guys, this is our first find. We literally just got here. This is my I have 30 seconds worth, if that. Very first signal here, and I think it's gonna be a musket ball. Awesome. Get her cleaned up when we get back to the house. Let's keep digging. Finds keep coming. Looks like they're getting better. Look at this buckle, you guys. Is that amazing or what? Look at that. I can't wait to get this home and clean it up. That is amazing. It's still functional as well. That's an incredible find. Let's keep digging. Guys, I think we scored us a coin. Either that or it's a button. It's definitely round. Let's see what we got here. Oof. Awesome. It's definitely a coin. It's really toasted. I can't make out anything. Shoosh. I have to clean her up when we get back to the house. Let's see if we can't make anything out. I don't want to mess with it too much. Something coming through. $0.01. Alright guys, right next to that old coin we found. Kept digging. A couple pieces of broken pottery here. I thought it was a coin spill because it kept going, but I think this might have been the handle to an old knife or something. Still got some wood on it. That's really cool. What an awesome find, huh?